Let's take a look at a common problem in IGCSE math on the topic of inequalities. We're given this shape here, defined with region R on a coordinate axis, and we have a few lines that surround this region R. How do we define the inequalities that define R? First, we look at the line at the top here. This lies on the line y equals to 5, which, since it is a solid line and we want the region below that line, we can define the inequality y less than or equal to 5. Next, we move to the line at the bottom here. This one lies on the line y equals to 1, and it is a solid line as well, and we are interested in the region above this line, so we define the equation as y greater than or equal to 1. Next, we look at this vertical line on the right hand side. This one lies on the line x equals to 6, and we're interested in the region to the left of it, that is for values less than 6. Since this is a dotted line, we have to use the equation x less than 6, not inclusive. Finally, we look at the diagonal line here. Now this diagonal line lies on this line in yellow, so we look for 2 points on the line. In this case, I'm taking the coordinates 0, 0, and 5, 5. Then you find the slope using this formula, where if we calculate for the slope with the values of 5, 5, and 0, 0, we get the slope of 1. Substituting the equation of the straight line, y equals to mx plus c, we know that it passes through the origin, so the y-intercept c must be 0. We get the equation y equals to 1x plus 0, which is just the equation y equals to x. Now, since we are interested in the R region below that line, and it is also a dotted line, we can describe it as y less than x, not inclusive. And so we now have our 4 equations of inequalities that define the region R. Thank you, and follow for more.